Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, how are you doing? So, in today's video, I am going to say something exciting. Yes. I have a box of succulents. So, like I said from my previous video, I am going to make a fairy garden, but I think I will skip that one. I will make a different arrangement of it. So, my succulent box just arrived, and actually, it arrives yesterday afternoon. But I don't have that much time yesterday, so I did not mess with it. And today I am going to unbox it, of course, with you. So let's go unbox our succulents. So this is the box that I am talking about, and we are going to unbox it. I asked my husband to buy me a box of succulents because I am thinking of making a succulent arrangement, but I don't have that much. If you can see from my last video, I only have those yucky ones. So without further ado, let's do open the box. I'm sorry, my tripod is at my front, so that's why it's a little bit hard for me to open the box. But anyway, it's now open. So, I'm so excited for this one. I've been wanting to get me one, but I'm always so hesitant because I really don't know how to take care of them yet. That's why I tried to get those ones in the grocery stores. But I think I know now how to do it. I mean, how to take care of it. So, there we go. We have a box of it. So, as usual, this is how they do with the packages. They put these little booklets, the instructions, like that. This is the care guide, I guess. Well, this is my first box from them, so I assume this is the booklet. So let's do it now. I always saw them unbox their box like this. So see these shredded papers. Whew, there's a bunch of it. I was like, this is actually arrived yesterday afternoon, so that's why I didn't have the time to unbox them yesterday right away, because I'm a bit busy yesterday. So we'll do it tonight. I mean today. Why did I say tonight? And like I said, I'm a little bit worried about this because the soil is all over the floor when my husband put it on the floor. So I can see it now. If you can see that, there's a bunch of dust coming out now. But it's okay. I'm just going to clean it later. So let's fast forward this thing, guys. All right, so we have all of this here. Let's take them one by one. Ooh, this is so tight in here. Let's take this tray out here first. There we go. Ooh, it's all over me now. So I already pulled this one off here. You see that? Yeah, when I was trying to pull that paper, the shredded paper, it went off. So let's do it now. Let's start here. Let's see. I was so scared to hold them. It looks like so fragile. But anyway, I need to start to grab one. Let's see in this side. Okay. Ta-da! I thought they put label in this one, but I don't see a label. Some of it has label, but most of it doesn't have label. But see, maybe they forgot to put label. Maybe they forgot, so let's just do it. I prefer to have a label because I'm not familiar with this one yet. There we go. I just got it. That's the second one. I really don't know the name. How I wish Mountain Crest put a name in it. So here we go, guys. These are my succulents. I'm sorry that I stopped videoing because they are just so full of dirt all over it, so I can't move very well because the camera is at my front, so I have to stop my video. But anyway, I have 50 different variety here in this tray, and they said from their advertisement that they put name tag in each one of it, but unfortunately I only have got tag here, and this is it, and I am not sure if this is the real name of it, so I need to research if this is the one. So anyway, I think I am going to message the Mountain Crest Garden later after the video, that way they could read it later too. So anyway, yes, I'm a little bit unhappy for what I've got, because if you can see here, well, I'm not really unhappy. I am so happy because this is my husband's gift for me, and today is our wedding anniversary. Well, it's we celebrate wedding anniversary every month, so this is my husband's gift for me. And look, this one here, my Horthia here, the leaves, all of the leaves, the tip of their leaves are brown. It's like dead. But anyway, even the very last leaf there, it has a brown tip, so I think that's okay because it's still green. It's gonna do good for me for sure. And yeah, the name tag, I really up to name tag because I am not familiar with them yet, and I wanted to know if which one are a winter hardy and not, because I wanted to make a arrangement that are gonna be like they can tolerate the weather here where I live, so that's why. But anyway, I think that's not a big deal because I can always message the Mountain Crest Garden. So I think that's all for today's video. Anyway, I would like to thank everyone for watching my video and my subscribers for subscribing in my channel. Anyway, so I am going to make a arrangement as I said. So but that would be on my different video because I already have the pot and the soil, the succulent mix, but I am still debating if what arrangement I really want to make. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.